I know cog science, I know behavioral science, I understand all the biases, I understand information architecture, interaction design, motion design, visual design, prototyping, so I'm a great designer, right? No, wrong. If you know all of this, it only means that you are a competent designer. It doesn't mean that you are a great designer. You are a good designer who knows your stuff, that's it. But for you to be a great designer, you need a lot more skills. So in addition to the core skills, there are a number of satellite skills that makes you a designer, which is not related to anything competence. It's about how you work with other human beings. It's how you work with yourself, how you work with the environment, how you work with tools. All of these aspects are something which we are not taught anywhere. Neither in schools, colleges, workplaces, nowhere. And this is what we call as meta skills. Like a skill which helps you acquire any skill. And that meta skill is a must for you. For example, learning is a meta skill. Ability to communicate is a meta skill. And these kind of skills will help you become a better designer. It helps you adapt to any ambiguous context that is thrown at you. And if you are going to be very focused on competency only and you are not focusing on meta skills, your ability to thrive as a designer who is solving problems for a living is going to be questionable. So the meta skills are the most important skills that you must have for you to thrive as a designer. Your core skills will help you survive. So do you want to thrive or survive? The choice is very clear, I guess.